Quite the gorgeous remodel. What a huge house for the area. The potential on this 15,000 plus square feet fully fenced double lot is endless. Located in the prospering neighborhood of Tampa Heights. From its open floor plan, top to bottom custom finishes and impressive dual master suites, this home is sure to check every box on your must-have list. This 4-bedroom/3 bathroom is a rare find with such space and beauty. Step inside to your spacious mudroom/bonus room and store your shoes in the custom-built storage nook. Off to the side, you'll find the perfect home office space fully equipped with dedicated high-speed internet access. Slide open the first custom barn door, you'll immediately notice the appeal and charm this house has to offer. Everything has been remodeled in this home: the flooring, the ceiling, the windows, and more. Custom lighting in the large living room offers a very inviting environment for the family to gather. Open the barn door and find a walk-in laundry room and additional storage space. Then, make your way to the gourmet chef's kitchen with a massive center island, built-in oven, built-in stovetop, stainless steel hood. You'll be captivated by the extensive countertop prep space and top-to-bottom high-end soft closing solid wood cabinets, with under-cabinet lighting, and room for seating. On the first floor, you have 2 bedrooms and hallway bath, plus the first master suite with private bath. Head upstairs to the king's quarters through a custom barn door, to a private oversized bedroom with walk-in closet and gorgeous ensuite bath. Vast marble-covered double vanity, custom tile work, and a glass-enclosed walk-in shower with dual shower head action, including a luxurious overhead rainfall feature, making this the ultimate retreat in the Queen's dream. Step outside to the oversized balcony overlooking the oversized tiled patio and the spacious fenced backyard for outdoor living spaces for lifetime of entertaining. Enjoy weekend nights around the fire pie,